Welcome. Now that we've gone over each of the assignment operators, let's do a little practice exercise. Imagine you are managing a simple point system for a game. Write a Python program to start with 10 points and then use each assignment operator to update the points based on different actions. The actions are as you are seeing on your screen. So use these actions to perform the appropriate operation using assignment operators. Pause the video now to try this exercise out and see if you can follow each operation to get to the final point. Ensure you give it a try. Practicing is the best way to learn coding. Pause the video now. See you when you are done. Alright, welcome back. So from our starting point now, we have starting point of 10. So we are going to define a variable. Let's call it points, and then we are going to assign the value of 10. Alright, so our first to do here is we are going to earn 5 more points. So we are going to say points. So that is going to be using plus equals assignment operator. So we are earning 5 more points, and that is going to be 5. Alright, the next is okay. We can as well print the final score so that we'll continue to see the result of our operation as we go. So we're going to print points at the end of the day. So if we run this now, at this point, we have 15 as our result. Okay. The next action is we are going to lose 3 points. So we are going to say points, then minus equals 3. You run that again. Then the next thing is we are going to double the points. So we are going to have points to double it. That means we are multiplying by 2. And then we update the value of the variable. So we are going to use multiply equals. So we are going to have 2, which is for double. We run that again. So we have 24. Now we are going to half the points. So we are going to say points, then divide equals 2. That is going to half the points. So we are going to have 12.0. And then we are going to add bonus points with the instruction of exponent of 2. So we are going to say points, then exponent is double multiplication symbol. Then we use the equal sign to update the variable exponent of 2. So if we run that now, we have our final score to be 144. So we can as well add the text in front of it. So we're going to say final points. Okay. So let's add the comma. We can put a colon in front of that. So if we run that, we have our final points to be 144.0. That's all we have to do. Simple as ABC. You see how easy and fast it is to use assignment operators rather than going the long route of writing points and then be adding it to points, or minusing or multiplying as the case may be. There is one more challenge for you in this section. I will see you in the next lesson.